so fine. You my prime. You're my life. So baby, come be my wife. Be my wife. Say you so fine. You my prime. You're my life. So baby, come be my wife.
What that does is that we're trying to take out the nasal frequencies, as this, like, oh no no. So we're trying to take out those frequencies in the song side to sound cleaner.
You so fine. You my prime. You're my life.
Alright, so we can add compression. We can add a compressor to it to tame the vocals, so some parts will sound louder, too loud, and some parts sound too soft. We're trying to make it as balanced as possible. Compressor, fruity compressor. So we're using only stock plugins. We're not using any special tools, no waves, no Apollo, no nothing, just stock plugins. It's possible.
You so fine. You my prime. You're my life. So baby, come be my wife. Be my wife. Say you so fine. You so fine. You so fine, my baby. You are a dime.
Alright, so let's hear with the beat now and see.
So baby, come be my wife. Be my wife. Say you so fine. You so fine. You so fine, my baby. You are a dime. You are a diamond in the sky.
Alright, so we add another EQ again just to make it a bit brighter. So it to sound shiny, you know.
You so fine. You my prime. You're my life. So baby, come be my.
So here it's with the EQ.
You so fine. You my prime.
Here it's without the EQ.
You so fine. You my prime.
Alright, so you can see the EQ makes it sound a bit more, just slight adjustments. We don't need to do too much EQ or compression, just gradual touches here and there, and we'll have big results. We don't need to do big touches. And alright.